We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2017 Ram ProMaster. This is a 1500 series. ProMaster is a front-wheel drive. Stock number on this is CP15725T. Does have the chrome grille on it. Just regular wheel covers on this. Got the wide mirrors on it, so you got a good visibility going as you're going down the road to see what's behind you. Inside we've got it equipped with the cloth interior. We do have cruise control on this, standard radio, power windows. This is an automatic transmission. It's got the 3.6 Pentastar 6-cylinder engine. It's your base 1500 cargo van. Does have windows in the back. We do have a rubber mat in this one. Also, it's been equipped with some slats on the side for hanging things, tie downs and so forth. Got a solid bulkhead in the back with ventilation. There's no access door to that going in the back. If you're looking for some kind of expediting vehicle delivery service and nothing that's extremely heavy, you do have room to put pallets from the side door as well as the back door. I've got grab handles on here to get up in. I'm a little over 6 foot tall, so I have to stoop a little bit in this vehicle. They do make a high roofed van that you could stand up in if you were over 6 foot tall. Once again, this is a Ram ProMaster 1500 cargo van. Everything looks to be in good condition. No tears, rips, or holes in the seats. This is just one of the many commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler. For more information on this van, other vans that we have, any type of commercial vehicle, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.